My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 BMW 7 Series. This vehicle has done just over 105,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On our screen we can access notifications, my vehicle, connect to drive, navigation, communication and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro and Adaptive. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a cream leather interior and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.